Okay, right. Lunch plans, dear boy. We're going to have a few Momo as a bit of a go along.
What, like a starter?
Yeah, well, I make to keep us going while I make the actual lunch.
Sounds rather good. So welcome to Mustard in Boaty's kitchen, where he is making lunch and I will be eating it. You're waving at your own phone.
Hello.
Hiya.
One big titty bouncing up and down. Right, now this is about to become
Oh gosh, it's a heavy chat.
Mustard and Boaty doing lunch, so give me a bit of room. So, let's move this to the lunch position. There we go. And welcome to Mustard and Boaty.
Do lunch.
Lunch.
Oh gosh. That almost fell over then.
And this is a first. We're not sitting on a picnic bench. We're not in a car yard.
No, and in fact, it's not raining or cold in here.
And we're not eating a takeaway. Although we have done that before.
And we're not about to be interrupted by a man in a van.
Correct. Oh, whose turn is it?
Oh, I'll do it, shall I?
Okay.
Dear Peter Kay, congratulations on your return to stand-up comedy. I do hope to never see any of it. Thank you.
Thank you. This is our pre-lunch lunch.
Pre-lunch, pre-lunch.
Which is just designed to keep us going while I make our lunch.
Still nice. I like it. Yeah. Yeah, I like it. And these Momos are a bit different to the other ones, aren't they?
And they're the same batch.
All right.
Yeah. Although every Momo is unique, just like every other one. Oh.
Oh, hello.
So it's been what, 3 weeks since I saw you?
Yeah.
What's been happening? Tell the nice ladies and gentlemen, because not all of my 14 subscribers may be subscribed to you, so they might not know why you've been absent from here.
We've never been here before.
I meant this channel.
Been trying to avoid you.
Perfectly understandable.
Well, gosh, you must be hungry. I mean, I'm hungry as well, but I thought normally what happens is we're eating together. You're doing a lot of question asking and stuff because you like to have a conversation whilst eating.
Yeah, I see you've nicked that.
What?
My Ask Mustard idea seems to have somehow morphed onto your channel.
Eh? All that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's a good idea.
Yeah, I know. My good idea.
Yeah, so? It doesn't belong to you, though, does it?
Yes. I hold a moral copyright on the Ask Mustard feature.
A moral copyright?
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, just for you, if I get anybody answering that particular request, and then give me some questions to answer, which, being as you know about it, you haven't bothered actually thinking of a question itself to put in there. I will actually.
I've been asking you questions for the last 6 months. Well, why should I do it for your channel?
I will actually, you know, have a little nod towards you.
Oh,
Who is that?
it's a Canadian one.
Oh.
You know what they're like? If you don't reply within 5 seconds, I think you're having an affair with their sister.
Has she got a sister?
I've got no idea. I don't know who she is.
How do you know it's her? Because the video's live. Yeah.
Who else would it be? Unless...
You don't know anybody else, do you?
It could be that somebody has thought, oh, well, she's trying to get in there, and I want that gig. I want to be the third presenter on Mustard and Boaty, whoever they are, doing whatever they do.
Yeah.
So it could be somebody else trying to get muscle in on the act.
Would you like that?
Oh yeah. Like a bidding war. Would you like to have a topless co-presenter?
Be a bit distracting, wouldn't it?
I think so.
But yeah. Would you?
No, would put me off.
Put you off what?
My doings. You'd make loads of...
That's funny because that sounded a bit like your doings, but really you meant the things that you do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you'd make loads of Freudian slips, wouldn't you? Oh, I feel like a right tit.
I wouldn't. Relatively pun-free, in case you haven't noticed.
Pun-free.
Yeah.
What I did notice, and what I did put on Facebook, was that in the Italian Job, there's a scene where they've carried out the robbery, which was, of course, kind of masterminded by that chap in prison, played by Noel Coward.
What, Ronnie Biggs?
No, Mr. Bridger.
Oh, right.
And when they've successfully done the robbery, Mr. Bridger comes to down the stairs in the prison, and all of the prisoners applaud him by banging their crockery, going, Bridger! Bridger! And it struck me that you could update that for the modern age if you wish to, and make it into an homage to the more fuller-figured lady by simply replacing the word Bridger with big tits.
Oh, yeah, you could do.
Or, if you wanted to be more respectful, large breasts.
Yeah.
And then I went on to say that I wouldn't do that because I'm intimidated by large breasts, and they make me feel inferior and incapable.
Yeah, but also because you don't like them.
Yeah, because they make me feel inferior and incapable.
That's
and they
why you don't
intimidate
like
me. Yeah.
I thought you didn't like them as a matter of preference.
Yeah, I prefer not to be intimidated and to feel inferior and incapable.
Right, so, if you didn't feel intimidated by them, would you like them?
I imagine so, most men do.
I don't like them, but I don't find them intimidating.
You don't like them?
I've never really liked this particular subject. Is
Close to your heart.
no, not mine. No,
Close to your bottom.
but it would be close to her bottom.
I suppose if they weren't, you know. What is it with these?
I don't like body parts that aren't in control.
Ah, right.
And that's the thing.
What is it with the ladies now that have these enormous hippopotamus, great big sticky outy bottoms? Are they real?
Yeah.
Or are they like inflated pants or
It can be a bit
surgical
of both,
intervention? And what's the idea behind it?
Because it makes them look sporting. Makes them look, they handle well.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It doesn't.
It does.
How are they going to handle well when they've got that gigantic rear bumper?
Well, because if you fall over, it's more comfortable. It does, you know, you've got a bit of weight around the legs, you've got a lot of sense of gravity, haven't you?
Yeah. How's that going to help you in the pole vault?
I don't know, I didn't think they put them away any longer.
Put them away. Right, my lovelies, that is the end of lunch part 1, and I will now prepare lunch part 2. Come with me to the preparation area, which I like to call Preparation H. Do you reckon anybody will get that?
No.
No.
Thank you.
Do you know what Preparation H is?
I don't care. That was lovely.
It's a hemorrhoid treatment.
Well, I don't know about it.
Well, you might have had hemorrhoids.
Well,
Would you like to know what you're having for your lunch?
yeah.
Soup.
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 Homemade soup.
Homemade soup.
Not out of a can.
Not out of a can.
There we go, Jim Biscuits. Did you hear that? He is gloating.
I wasn't gloating.
He was
I was
gloating.
reflecting.
He is trying to make you feel worthless.
I'm going to start gloating. I lost the will, my lovelies.
I don't like you anymore. So, at this point, you're doing your own company program here, but you haven't explained what you've just done.
Because, sorry viewers, my fault. Basically what I'm doing is I'm making the soup that I made in the episode of Boaty in the Kitchen the week before last that he didn't watch.
Yeah, so if you want to know what he's doing, and
Watch
if I
that
want
video.
if I want to know what he's doing,
Watch the video!
I've got to watch your... Should I watch it now instead of asking you the question?
No, watch a better one that I would enjoy watching.
Well, like one of my videos.
No.